They gave me the wrong order. Like, this was not even this lady's order at all. That's why I don't really like to pick up from this particular store, because it's always something. Good morning and welcome back to my channel. When you all see me in this vehicle like this, y'all already know what time it is. So yes, we are back on another Walmart delivery. This is what we have today. We have 2 orders and they have to be picked up and delivered at least by 10:30. So this is what your batch orders would look like. And as you see here on the side, it tells you how many items that you have. You have 24 items in one, and I think it was 19 or 9 in the other. And then it just tells you exactly where you're going to go. And so once they load up everything here in the vehicle, we're going to slide this tab this way so we can start the delivery, and we're going to head to the first customer's house. It looks like we're going to have an issue.
Oh my God!
They're out here without the order.
Hey. Who you picking up for today?
I am here to pick up for... give me a second. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Dion Eaton. It's 2 orders.
Yes, ma'am.
It said it was ready.
Can I get you to drive down here to this orange cone for me today?
Absolutely. You'll close that for me right now?
Yeah, I will. You said Peyton and have them right here.
Okay.
All right, thank you so much.
All right. All right. So we are ready to start delivering. As you see right here, we're going to just slide this way. And then right here, where that little blue thing is, that's what's going to let you know where your GPS is. So you're going to click that and it's going to take you directly to the address. And then there's a note in this particular one and it says no contact delivery. So we're going to drop this off, contact the customer, and roll out. Let's go. Let me look and see, because they put a sticker on here for me, but hopefully.
We just sit back in there?
No, you can just sit there. This one may be yours because it has baby shampoo or something in it. That's not yours, is it? Yeah, the trainer had me inside and I guess they thought they had it.
Yeah.
But yeah, so this is gonna throw everybody. Because it was 3 people behind me, so everybody's gonna have to come back. Okay, I'll be back. They gave me the wrong order. Like, this was not even this lady's order at all. That's why I don't really like to pick up from this particular store, because it's always something. Okay, so what happened is I told him that I had 2 orders and he gave me one correct one and then he gave me a wrong one. So what has happened is another driver is back because she had the wrong order as well, because her order was in my car, because the gentleman from Walmart put the wrong order in my car. So now I have to wait on them to go get the right order for the person who I was supposed to have, whose house I was just at trying to unload. And now I have to wait again.
How you doing?
So,
Sarah? Bring it out.
okay, thanks. And so, yeah. So this was a good one. this was a learning experience. I never had that to happen. I've never had that to happen. So that's going to put me behind for the rest of my orders for the day. So yeah. And luckily, this lady did come out because it was supposed to be a no contact delivery. And she was basically looking for her Pampers mainly for her baby. And there were no Pampers. So she wasn't upset. But it's just the inconvenience of it all. So, yeah. So when you're picking up your orders, make sure you have who you need. I never had this to happen, but going forward, I will always check. Always. Because they got me good. Alright, y'all, so we have finally finished that order. I started this order at 9:45. It's never taken me that long to complete an order. So with that being said, this may be it for me today because it's already starting out wrong. So yeah, I think I'm just I don't have time today. So now what I'm gonna do is go to Best Buy and pick up my SD card. So that's where we're headed to right now. Boy, I tell you, I just have never. So yeah, I mean, a mess. Whew, a mess. So yeah. Alright, so we've made it to Best Buy and I'm just waiting on them to bring my SD cards out. But while I was sitting here, I was just thinking, make sure, like seriously, oh God, I just broke my necklace. Make sure that you guys are paying attention to everything when it comes to delivering these groceries, because it's actually easy. It is so easy, but some people just make it really hard, because either they don't want to do the job. I don't know what it is, but like I said, I've never ever had anything, and I've been doing this since January, so I've never had anything like this to happen. But when it does happen, it kind of pisses you off, you know, because you have a flow of how you want things to go, and then you have to, you know, make double trips. It's just a big inconvenience, and I just don't be having time. Yes.
Awesome. Do you have the 4-digit phone ready, or your ID?
I do. Hold on, let me try to get it to pull up. Okay, there's that.
Perfect.
And then here's my ID.
Awesome. All right. Here you are. We'll send you email receipt.
All right, thank you. Have a good one.
You as well.
Thanks. So yeah, it just pisses you off because if you deliver as much as I do, or have delivered as much as I have, and when you have a set pattern of the way that you deliver, and usually, like I said, I don't even pick up at that store, because once I was at that store for pickup and they gave me part of the order and told me to come back to get the rest of it. And then one time before, I went and they did not have the order ready at all, and so I had been waiting and waiting and waiting, and then I mean, it was just like it's that particular store. I just won't pick up ever from there. But I thought maybe by now they had gotten everything all squared away with, making sure the logistics of things was all good. But I see that they're still jacked up. So, and as you continue to drive, you will see that there will be some stores that you just don't want to pick up from. That's just it. I mean, either they're going to give you the wrong order, they're going to be rude, they're going to just load the things any kind of way. I don't like picking up from those stores like that. And that particular store that I was just at, I won't pick up another order from them. So, yeah.